this is your channel Sosanasa One in English. I am Engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to use this little item. This item in my hand is a outlet tester. This item is useful for know if a power outlet like this is working correctly or not. How I know if this is working correctly or not? Watching these different lights in this part. Here we have 1, 2, 3 lights. The combination of these lights give me the meanings about the problems that we can find in the power outlet. Here on the item we have the meanings of the different combination of these 3 lights. For use this item is very easy, only we need to connect this inside this, and with this we can know if the neutral is working correctly or not, if the phase line is working correctly or not, or if the ground line is working correctly or not. Only watching which of these lights is on. Now let's connect this here, and if we watch here, now we have only the center light on in this moment. If we read here, is this combination. This light is off, this is off, and this is on. The center light is on, and the others is off. This means the ground line is not working in this power outlet. This means the ground line, I mean this and this, is not connected in this power outlet. It's not working in this power outlet. But the others is working correctly. Because if only power on this light means the ground line is not working. Using this information, for example, if only power on this light means the neutral is not working. If the 3 lights keep off, means the phase line is not working. If power on this red light and this yellow light means the ELF line is inverse. And if this red light and this yellow light power on, means the neutral is inverse. And if this yellow light and this yellow light power on together, means the power outlet is working correctly in the 3 lines: phase, neutral, and ground line. Using this item, we can find any problem on any power outlet like this in seconds. If you want this item, the link is in the description of this video. This is all for today. Thank you for watching. This is your channel Sosanasa One in English. Share this video, give me a like, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosa NASA One in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.